Hello ladies and gents, welcome to another cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail named Paddy. It's really easy to make, 3 ingredients only: Irish whiskey, sweet vermouth and Angostura bitters. So stick around till the end and let me show you how to do it. Paddy was invented in 1920s using the whiskey of the same name. The original recipe had equal amounts of Irish whiskey and vermouth and a little less Angostura, and the final result was a bit sweeter drink, but today's recipe is more sophisticated and drier, so let's get straight into it. So we are going to start with 45 mils, 1.5 ounce of Irish whiskey. And 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. And 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. That's about it. Now add ice to our shaker. And shake the cocktail for about 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now strain the cocktail in a pre-chilled glass. Use a Hawthorne strainer. Look at that beautiful color. Garnish with half a slice of lemon. And that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, Paddy. Cheers! Oh, really nice, a bit drier. You can taste the vermouth. It's really nice. I definitely recommend this one. So here you go, ladies and gents. Paddy, really easy to make. Like I've said before, 3 ingredients only. We try to keep it simple here to make it easy for you to learn new recipes and make them at your home or at your bar. Try Paddy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, it means a lot. Thank you very much for your support and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.